Yo, yo, this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt. And I just got this super rare Dazzling Gleam Gear RIBOMBEE from a rare ore in Pokemon Rumble Rush, guys. So far, I don't have any other summon gears or super rare summon gears aside from that one. That one has I think a 1% chance of appearing. That will probably appear 1.899 chance, guys. I hope to get Firefang and Razor Leaf, but so far it hasn't happened yet. Oh my gosh, I have no idea if I will be able to get them as of this rate. But you know, we can try the Dazzling Gleam out. And we're gonna do it right now, guys. Sword Filter by Newest. I have extra summon gears which I can throw away. And let me just start. Let's upgrade to level... Is the maximum 5 or... Yes, it's 5. Boost attack for a certain period of time. It's a fairy type summon gear. It's not that strong, guys. It's only at 924. But better weak than, you know, not getting any at all. So with that said, Sort by Newest. Switch to Dazzling Gleam. I cannot wait to eat tomorrow, guys. I haven't eaten for 2 straight days, having a water fast. Like, you can only drink water. Water. Just water, guys. And it's kind of torture sometimes. Most of the time you feel normal, but sometimes you feel like cold, you feel weak, you feel palpitation, you feel stuff happening around your body. Oh, come on. Can I do a shortcut? Okay, guys. Let's test it out. Let's test it out right now. Testing it in a daily stage. Free admission. We don't have plenty of Pokemon set active. It's fine. So apparently you need 3... How many? 5? Is it 5? I'm not sure. RIBOMBEE Dazzling Gleam. Nice. Beautiful animation. And what is... I think we need 6, guys. What is with that lower right part of the screen? Just look at that. Lower right. That spike. Anyway. Dazzling Gleam. Very nice. Very nice. And we didn't get anything significant. Oh boy. We'll try it out one more time. Just because we always do that. And I'm using my old phone, guys. This is my oldest phone, my Samsung Galaxy S8, to record this. Sorry. And oftentimes this doesn't record audio well, so I'm sorry if my voice is very low or something, because this phone microphone is crap, basically. I wanna go to bed after this. Wake up tomorrow, I can finally eat a late lunch at 3 p.m. and fasting over as of the meantime. Lugia. Diving Pokemon. Iwanko. And that's it, guys. That was a preview of the RIBOMBEE Super Rare Summon Gear, which is a 1.899% chance of appearing. So have you gotten your Charizard, Firefang, and Venusaur, was it Razor Leaf, Summon Gear yet? Good for you if you did, because I haven't. And happy Pokemon Day, guys. Today is February 27. Pokemon Day. Stay tuned to my Facebook page. That's facebook.com/trainingfreak. Game Freak except training. I'll have a special something posted later. So in the meantime,